So if your ROAS is bad on the Meta Ads platform, it's not because Facebook is broken. And it's not because you picked the wrong interests. So I've been running Facebook for the last 12 years now, and I can tell you that most beginners don't have a targeting problem. They have what I call a fundamentals problem. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 practical actionable steps and tips that you can implement immediately to improve your ROAS, especially if you're just getting started and Meta ads feel overwhelming. Now, before we jump into the tips here, let's quickly define what ROAS actually is. ROAS stands for return on ad spend, and it simply means how much revenue you generate for every dollar you spend on ads. If you spend, example, $100 and make $300 back, well, that's a 3x ROAS, pretty good. It's simple. The higher the number, the more efficient your ads are. But getting there requires the right, as I said, fundamentals. Let's get started with the biggest one. Number 1, fix your offer. And fix your offer before you touch your targeting. This is where almost everyone goes wrong. They launch a campaign, ROAS is low or crappy, and the first thing they do is, I got to start tweaking audiences now, duplicating ad sets, stacking interests, testing lookalikes. But none of that matters if the offer isn't compelling. See, Meta's algorithm is powerful, but it cannot fix a weak value proposition. So if your product doesn't clearly communicate transformation, urgency, or differentiation, your ROAS will suffer no matter how good your targeting is. So, before adjusting your campaign structure, ask yourself this: is the outcome clear? Is there a reason to buy now? And does the landing page message match the ad exactly? Even small improvements in clarity here and perceived value can dramatically increase conversion rate. And when conversion rates go up, you know what goes up? ROAS goes up. Tip number 2, optimize for purchases, not clicks. This one alone can change everything. See, Meta gives you exactly what you ask it for. If you optimize for traffic, it will find you people who like clicking. If you optimize for landing page views, it will find you people who load pages essentially. But if your goal is revenue, you must optimize for the purchase event. That means your pixel needs to be installed correctly. You need to set up your conversion API. Your domain needs to be verified. And once you have enough data, your campaign objective should be conversion focused. And that's uniquely purchase, the purchase event. I see beginners running traffic campaigns for e-commerce and products and service campaigns all the time. And that almost always leads to low quality visitors, low conversion rates, and disappointing ROAS. See, the algorithm needs conversion data to learn who your buyers are. So if you feed it buyers, that'll work. Don't feed it browsers. And now, tip number 3, stop over-segmenting your campaigns. When people are new, they think more control equals better results. So they create 5 ad sets with tiny audiences, separate budgets and slightly different interests. But what actually happens is the data gets fragmented. Meta needs volume to learn. Campaigns need a consistent flow of optimization events to exit the learning phase and stabilize performance. And when your budget is spread too thin across too many ad sets, well, none of them gather enough data and speed to get to this next level. Performance stays volatile and ROAS suffers. Instead, consolidate, broaden your audience, combine ad sets, let the algorithm breathe. The more data it can process within a single structure, well, the better it performs. So, let's recap here. Improve the offer before touching targeting, optimize for purchases, not clicks, and consolidate campaigns instead of over-segmenting. If you apply just these 3 changes, you'll already be ahead of most beginners running meta ads. And if you want me personally to take a look at your campaigns, and you want a deeper breakdown on how we structure accounts and to consistently improve and retain the high ROAS numbers, well, check the link below. I'm happy to take a look, because Facebook ads aren't random. They're predictable when you understand, again, the fundamentals. And guess what? Now you do. So if you like this video, feel free to like it, subscribe, comment below, and hey, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to watch this video next, where I talk about one of these fundamentals. Have a great day, evening, or night.